Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to level up in your online business. Now, this works even if you're starting from scratch and you don't really have an established online business yet that's making you money. And it works if you have a business that's making you money and you're really looking to grow it to the next level. So let's cue the intro and get into the content here. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And as I mentioned, today we are talking about how to level up in your business, and it has something to do with this shirt that I'm wearing here today, which, let me see if I can show it to you here a little bit. You can see some video game controllers on there, right? So, let me get this stabilized here. Okay, so how to level up in your business, and it's by applying the same principles that you would apply in playing a video game. Because in building an online business, there's a lot of things you have to learn. You have to learn how to generate traffic. You have to learn how to build an audience and how to connect with that audience in order to get them to know, like, and trust you. You've got to learn how to learn how to build an email list, how to send out good quality emails to that email list to build the relationship, and also how to send out offers to that email list to actually make some sales. There's things like sales funnels and copywriting and persuasion and influence, and even like analytics and testing and tracking and how to split test and all these different things that you need to learn in order to grow your business. And so often we make this so overcomplicated that we get scared from starting. We're scared of starting because we feel like it's so complicated and we don't have all the information, and we need to learn more. This has stopped me for years in my own business. But the best way to get started is wherever you're at right now. Wherever you're at right now, get started. Don't wait any longer to get started. Just get started with what you have now. And then to level up in your business, you're going to do what you would do in, say, like a platformer game. So a game like, Super Mario Brothers or Mega Man or something like that, a platformer game. I used to play some of these games and, I would die. I would go through the level. I'd try to beat it. I would die. But then I'd go back to the beginning and I'd try again. And I'd try again and I'd try again. And each time I go through that level, I've learned a little bit about the process of going through that level. I learned a little bit about the algorithm that controls the level, the movements of the enemies and where the holes are and where the traps are that I can fall into. I start to learn these things, and through repetition I'd get better, and eventually I'd be able to beat the level. The same concept applies to role-playing games. In a lot of role-playing games, there's really the idea of leveling up your character and your skills and your abilities in order to get stronger. So if you get to an area where it's difficult to defeat the enemies or the boss at the end of the level, then really all you have to do is kind of grind a little bit, level up a bit, and then pretty soon it's easy to beat the boss. So the way to level up in your business is through repetition. It's through gaining hands-on experience by doing the tasks that you need to be doing in order to grow your business, and doing those tasks over and over again. It's like growing a channel here on YouTube. The way to grow a channel on YouTube, even if you're not good at video, is to start making videos, even if you're not good. Because then, through the process of making the videos over and over and over again, you're going to get better. That's what I'm doing here. That's why I'm doing a 120-day challenge right now. It's to get better at making videos. And so the more I do this, the more I'm going to grow, the better my videos will get, and my YouTube channel will grow over time as a result of this. So if you're wanting to grow your business online, then take a look at those core things that you need to be doing in order to push the needle forward in your business. Is that doing YouTube? Is that writing blog posts? Is that learning how to write better emails? Whatever that is for you, where you're at right now, keep working on that. Keep doing it. Keep going through repetition until things start to click, until you start to figure it out, until you understand the process and the pitfalls and the traps and the enemies and the challenges that are coming your way. Keep working through repetition until you understand these things. And then you'll learn, then you'll grow, and through repetition, you'll figure out the answer. So hopefully this video has been valuable to you. You've learned something, you've been inspired, motivated. If you have, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.